how to delete Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Instagram account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and activity page, there at the top, simply tap at account center. And now here, once you are inside the account center, then what you have to do is simply scroll down and there you simply have to tap on the personal details. And now here in this section, just tap on account ownership and control. And after that, you simply have to tap on the option labeled as deactivation or deletion. Now here, simply select the Instagram account that you want to delete. And after that, you can simply select delete account option and tap on continue. Now here, Instagram will ask you for a reason to delete your account. So here simply select the reason and after that you can simply tap on continue. Now here simply continue with deletion, and before deleting anything, if you like, then you can export your information and download it as a PDF too. But if you don't want it, you can simply tap on continue. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to enter your passport, and after that you simply have to tap continue. And on the next page you'll see the delete account option, so simply tap on it to confirm, and Instagram will give you 30 days before permanent deletion. So after that, if you log back in within 30 days, your account will be restored. But if you don't do it, then after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. That's how you can delete your Instagram account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.